Today I am reviewing the NiSi 58mm Swift True Color ND Vario. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. For videographers and landscape photographers, controlling light is one of the most fundamental challenges of the craft. When you want to capture smooth motion blur in a waterfall or shoot with a wide-open aperture on a bright, sunny day, you quickly run into the physical limitations of your camera sensor. This is where high-quality neutral density filters become absolute necessities. However, variable ND filters have historically carried a bad reputation for ruining image quality by introducing ugly color casts or a destructive cross-shaped artifact known as the X effect. Thankfully, the NiSi 58mm Swift True Color Variable Neutral Density filter completely solves these age-old problems, introducing a premium tool that delivers pristine, professional-grade results in an incredibly clever, expandable design. The single biggest breakthrough of this NiSi filter is its exclusive true color coding technology. If you have ever used an entry-level variable neutral density filter, you already know the frustration of having your images ruined by an intense, muddy yellow or green color shift. Correcting that color tint in post-production can be an absolute nightmare, especially when shooting video. NiSi has completely eliminated this issue. Across its entire range of 1 to 5 stops of light reduction, this filter offers perfectly neutral color rendering. The hues remain completely accurate, and your skin tones stay beautiful and natural across varied, shifting lighting conditions. It ensures that what you see through your viewfinder is exactly what you get on your memory card, saving you hours of color correction time. Equally impressive is how this filter handles light reduction mechanically. Providing a gradual adjustment range from ND2 to ND32, it allows you to rotate the ring smoothly to find the exact level of exposure control you need. Standard variable filters often produce a dark, cross-shaped shadow across your frame when you push them near their maximum limit, completely destroying wide-angle shots. NiSi has engineered a precise rotation stop system that entirely prevents this X effect. You get clean, seamless light control from the first stop to the fifth stop. Furthermore, NiSi solved the issue of edge shadowing or vignetting by giving this 58mm filter a larger front thread size of 62mm and utilizing an ultra-thin frame design. This ensuring that even if you are using wide-angle lenses at 35mm equivalent focal lengths or longer, you will experience perfect edge-to-edge clarity without any dark corners or light fall-off. From a build quality perspective, this filter is crafted like a piece of high-end optical equipment. Both sides of the high-definition optical glass are protected by an advanced 20-layer multi-nano coating. This heavy-duty coating serves multiple purposes. First, it incredibly lowers surface reflections to prevent ghosting and lens flare when shooting into bright light sources. Second, it creates a rugged, enterprise-grade shield against the elements. It is completely waterproof, dust-proof, scratch-resistant, and oil-resistant. If you are shooting outdoors in the rain, capturing sea spray at a windy beach, or accidentally touch the glass with your fingers, water droplets and smudges bead right off. It can be easily wiped clean with a microfiber cloth without smearing, making it a rugged and incredibly reliable companion for travel and outdoor adventure filmmaking. Beyond its incredible optical performance, what makes this specific filter a true game-changer is its integration into the revolutionary NiSi Swift system. Instead of forcing you to awkwardly screw multiple filters on top of each other when you need to stack different effects, the Swift system allows for instant expansion. The front of this variable ND filter is designed to accept press-on Swift system filters, which are sold separately. If you suddenly need more light reduction, or want to snap on a specialized mist or polarizing filter, you simply press the additional filter directly onto the front ring. It snaps into place securely in a fraction of a second without any tedious threading. This modular capability makes it easier than ever to customize your camera setup on the fly as cloud cover and lighting conditions change. To complete the premium experience, NiSi packages this 58mm variable ND filter with a high-quality, protective lens filter case and a dedicated lens cap. It arrives fully ready to be tossed into your camera bag and taken on assignment. To wrap things up, the NiSi Swift True Color Variable Neutral Density Filter is an absolute masterpiece of optical engineering. It sets a completely new benchmark for what a variable filter can achieve by eliminating color distortion, banishing the X effect, and providing a highly innovative path for modular filter expansion. It is incredibly sharp, beautifully neutral, and built like a tank. For any videographer, hybrid content creator, or photographer looking to unlock complete creative control over their exposure, this filter is an absolute home run investment.